have a problem of this air conditioning unit. So I'm gonna do, I need to fix it because this is important for our company to maintain the correct temperature inside the building. The problem, I think this one is the motor, because I changed already the new fuse, but it's still explode because of I think short circuit. This centralized air conditioning is the most important inside the building, because we have chemical and so on and so forth to maintain the exact temperature. So without this aircon, the chemical gonna be contaminated. So we need to fix these units as soon as possible. Supposed to be this morning, I have important job downstairs, but because of this trouble, I changed my plan. So that's our life here in North America, fixing the trouble, fix all the trouble, and also maintain the good maintenance to continue operation. So that's why we need the good maintenance for the good company, for the good product and good accomplishment. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this motor and bring downstairs. Maybe the problem is winding, or maybe the bearings, or bushing, or whatever. So we can figure it out later after we open up this motor, because this motor is a air conditioning blower or evaporator blower. So without this one, without cooling inside, this blower is the most important. So now down inside here, so we need to do something to take it. Oops. too far, but we did it. Okay guys, that's it for now, because I need to remove this motor and fix the problem. Thank you, bye bye.